So the AMRC started about 14 years ago, and on this site 12 years ago, working in the aerospace industry, and particularly looking at developing the UK supply chain. Our main focus in the main building over there is on machining, and later on we brought on composites and in structural testing.
We've been spending quite a bit of time with the AMRC in recent years developing new technologies and looking at how the AMRC can enable us to try and bring some of the very latest technologies into the business in a very productive way. So that partnership is really key to us. Enables us to get access to some of the very latest technology vendors, looking at then how we try and apply those in a business context, and then how we can apply those to some key projects that we're working on, and ultimately how we try and then bring the technology into the business.
The big benefit of VR is the speed that we can get to the problem. Within a day of getting some CAD files, we can be looking at a design, we can be looking at a maintenance problem, we can be looking at a layout. It's very quick, it doesn't cost a lot of money, and it's a very good tool.
So the ActiveCube's environment in visualising a lot of the data we're generating here, you're providing that extra level of immersion which just helps confirm your decision-making process. Point clouds are invaluable to us because they allow us to provide context to a lot of the information we're providing. So it could be that an end user is moving their facility, so they're going from one building to a new building. They want to make sure that all their existing machinery fits in the new space. So what we can do is, rather than make assumptions over the data that we're moving across, we can actually scan the existing building and reverse engineer all those elements into the new space. So we're providing confidence to that decision-making process because we can ensure that the money they're investing in their new building, they've got confidence that all the information and all the machines they want are going to come across and fit just perfectly.
The AMRC is one of the nodes of the high-value manufacturing catapult, and as such we are looking to take the lead for the UK VR community to establish a VR capability that isn't centred in a university, it's not centred in industry, it's centred in the bridge that is the catapult. This way we can reach down into academia to pull their expertise and their knowledge in the future and developments, and also feed in the information, the requirements of industry at this point in time. Virtual reality is one of the few tools that everyone can use throughout the product lifecycle, whether it's in concept design or design for manufacture, or design for assembly, or design for repair and maintenance, or design for operations. It's got a place throughout the whole product life cycle, which means everyone can engage with it.